Who received the Most Impactful Environmentalist Award in 2025? Acharya Prashant, who is the first Indian batter to hit 300 sixes in the IPL as of 2025. Rohit Sharma. Which state is Sri Shekhar Kapoor, who received the Padma Bhushan in the art category in 2025, associated with Maharashtra? India finished second with 24 medals of Asian Athletics Championship 2025. Who won the gold medal in the women's high jump event at the National Games in February 2025? Pooja Singh. How many teams participated in the 2025 IPL season? 10 teams.